Hi friends, welcome to my Dilshi Academy. Today let's learn collective nouns. Collective nouns are named for a collection or a number of people or things. Let's see what are those. An army of soldiers. An army of ants. A school of whales. A pack of thieves. A pack of wolves. A pack of cards. A herd of cattle. A kindle of kittens. A flock of sheep. A gang of thieves. A gang of prisoners. A book of library. A colony of ants. A bunch of keys. A bunch of flowers. A nest of mice. A chain of island. A hive of bees. A clean of hyenas. A litter of cubs. A forest of trees. A mob of kangaroo. A team of players. A team of oxen. A board of directors. A caravan of gypsies. A class of students. A company of actors. A crowd of actors. A patrol of policemen. A staff of employees. A murder of crows. A zoo of wild animals. An album of photographs. A basket of fruits. A book of notes. A bowl of rice. A cloud of insects. A galaxy of stars. A pair of shoes. A block of flats. A packet of letters. A train of camels. A body of men. A flight of birds. A crew of sailors. A string of horses. A range of mountains. That's all for today. Still you didn't subscribe me? Please subscribe me and click the bell icon. Stay with me more grammar lessons and spoken English lessons with my Dilshi Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.